111. This angel number is saying to you today. Seeing 111 is a reminder that your thoughts are producing your reality. Take the synchronity to shift your thoughts towards something better. Type thank you to take this advice to heart. God message for you today. You do not have to take away the calling I have for your life. If you have been living the most unholy life, I am still giving you another chance to get back on track right where you are. You still have a purpose on earth. The universe is saying to you today, recognize and honor your personal power and use it to find inner peace and contentment in your everyday life. Continue to grow in positive and loving ways. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.